So, what is a PBX phone system? PBX stand for Private Branch Exchange, which is a private telephone network used within a company or organization. The user of the PBX phone system can communicate internally within their company on or externally with the outside the world using different communication channel like voice over IP, ISDN or analog. A PBX allow a PBX also allow you to have more phones than physical phones line. PSTN Private Branch Exchange. PSTN and allow free calls between users. Additionally, it provide features like transfer calls, voicemail, call recording, interactive voice menu, IVR, and call quiz. Traditionally, PBX will have their own proprietary phones such that there will be a way to reuse these phones with a different system. This means that we either have a system lock and we are bound to the same system because changing system means also changing phones, which make it the probability expensive to break away or vendor lock in. We are bound to the same vendor because the phones are only usable with system from the same vendor, sometime only within a particular range of system. Time and technology, however, have changed the consumer telephony landscape with the flag barrier being the open stand based IPPBX. The point of the IP is the new era is that the phone call are delivered using the internet protocol as the underlying transport technology. PBX phone system are available as hosted or virtual solution and is on premise solution to be run on your own hardware. This image gives us an idea of what an IPPBX system allow in the term of connectivity and reachability. With a traditional PBX, you are typically constrained to a certain maximum number of outside telephone lines and to a certain maximum number of internet internal telephone device or externals. Users of the PBX phone system, phone or extension share the outside lines for making external phones calls. Switching to an IPPBX beginning with its many benefit and opens up possibilities allowing for almost unlimited growth in terms of extension and trunk and introducing more complex functionality. that are more costly and difficult to implement with traditional PBX, such as ring group, quiz, digital receptions, voicemail reporting. And market have many companies and they are manufacturing, like 3CX has established itself as the leading IPPBX manufacturers, taking all the checkbox for any business looking for enterprise grade features. So see you in next lecture. Stay tuned.